Used up all free characters on Elevenlabs? First of all, if you don't know what Elevenlabs is a platform to generate text-to-speech where you probably get the best free AI voiceovers at this moment. But you get only 10,000 characters to use for free every month, and it is not enough to run your channel. Today, I'll show you a really simple but useful technique to solve this problem and generate unlimited voiceovers completely for free. First, go to Google and search for temp mail. Go to this website that comes at first and wait for a second. In a while, you'll get a temporary email. Then copy it by clicking this button and go back to Elevenlabs, click on Get Started Free button. Now paste the mail address here, use a password, and then sign up. You will get a verification mail in your temp mail inbox. Click on Verify Email, and after verification, log into your new account. With that, you'll get those 10,000 free characters to use. When you finish all of these characters, just sign out of the account, go back to temp mail and generate a new mail. Then create a new account again by following the same process. You can do this as many times as you want and generate unlimited voiceovers without paying any money. Thank you for staying till the end. If you liked the video, please support me by leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.